Welcome to Stickies. Time for the countdown. Let's go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Welcome to Stickies. Early birds type early bird.
We're 4:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Chance at a lucky spin.
Early birds type early bird for a great prize.
Rock the house and raise the roof with the area's hottest DJ. We're smoking.
You are listening to station KSOA 313 on your dial.
Let's go. Quack quack.
There's a fortress in the sky, with bricks of thought so high. A glowing bulb of genius burns bright white where shadows die. This light ignites the cosmos, a flame that can't be tamed. The master turns the simple to the profound and famed. He's the spark in the night, the beacon we all chase. A map of stars inside his mind, a never-ending
Smash.
space. Oh, the
That like
great
button.
mastermind. He turns dark to light with a wave of his hand. He keeps the future in sight. He whispers through the wind, finds answers in its song. A bulb of brilliance flickers, tells him where he belongs. The earth shakes in wonder at ideas he creates. The master's vision changes time and bends the hands of fate. He's the spark in the night, the beacon we all chase. A map of stars inside his mind, a never-ending space. Oh, the great mastermind. He turns dark to light with a wave of his hand. He keeps the future in sight. He carved the stars, a river of knowledge flows within. A glowing light guides his path as dreams begin. Like a bulb of endless power, forever steady bright. The master wields his great mind to shine away the night. He's the spark in the night, the beacon we all chase. A map of stars inside his mind, a never-ending space. Oh, the great mastermind. He turns dark to light with a wave of his hand. He keeps the future in sight. He keeps the future in sight. He's the spark in the night, the beacon we all chase. A map of stars inside his mind, a never-ending space. Oh, the great mastermind. He turns dark to light with a wave of his hand. He keeps the future in sight.
Give me a lever. Now they're away for a stalk of the will. With a wave of his hand, he keeps the future in sight.